Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off sensitive content on your Instagram. So there are a couple of options you can choose to see or totally not see your sensitive content on Instagram. So first of all, go to your Instagram and go to your profile, and here you can see the three line on top. Click that and scroll down, and under what you see, this is the option what you see. You can see content preference. Click that option, and here on top you can see sensitive content. Click it, and here are three options: less, standard, and more. Right now I selected standard, so I might see sensitive contents. If I select more, I will see more sensitive content. Remember, sensitive content is labeled by Instagram. So another one is less. If I click less and select confirm, I will see less sensitive content according to Instagram algorithm. So in this way, you can control how much sensitive content you watch on Instagram. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will see you in the next one.